a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
Okay, I'm off to get cat food. You guys be good now. Mike, got a lot of dishes to do. Gonna take care of those anytime soon? Here we have the living room, and you'll see. Mike, you ready? Hey Mike, have you by chance seen my toothbrush?
I want all of you forever, you and me, every day. Will you do something for me?
Michael,
just picture your life for me.
keep it down.
30 years from now, 40 years from now, what's it look like?
And they'll always be friends forever. See, I can get behind the logic of that if it were true. When the problem comes up, how could you even know any of them? Or any of the truth were? So Kevin's not going to be able to make the camping trip this weekend. Says his girlfriend's making him go shopping. Okay. Phil, welcome to the neighborhood. Can we sing you some Christmas carols? We'll take that as a yes. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. All right, Michael. Lunchtime. So with our organic growth projections, you can see we hit a 4%. You can see here we have the positive profit margins here. District 3, that's a 10-4. Okay, so the agenda for today is writing tickets. Good afternoon, James. What a guy, James. I tell you, he is as slick as they can. Oh, who is this? New guy. Some festive music. District 3, we got a code 10.
We're just joining a pursuit. This has been going on since the New Hall Pass on the 5 freeway southbound.
Put your paws where I can see him. Okay, call it off. Have a good day, sir. And we'll always be friends forever. You're in on it too, Michael? I expected more from you.
Okay, so I'll trade you 2 chocolates for... Oh, that. Give me that.
I'll give you this one.
Okay, fine. Deal. The brown one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me this.
Here you go, Mike. Happy Halloween.
I miss her so much.
See you later, Chloe.
Bye, sweet pea. Discover life.